Hey there, this is Becky again. Many of you who have been working on your Atkins web pages have wondered how to go about linking to other pages in our site while it's still on the development page. And doing so is really quite easy. So I am going to log into the development site as a user or an editor. So to do that, you type in library.dev.uncc.edu/user. And then go ahead and log in with your NinerNet credentials. I've recently done that, so I'm already logged in actually. And now I am going to go to Manage in the upper left corner. And I am going to go to Groups. And I'm going to find a page that I am have editor access for which I want to create an internal link. And I'm going to go to the accessibility group. And this again is the group. Now we need to go to the node, which is the corresponding pages. And there's just one page here called accessibility. So I'm going to go ahead and click on accessibility. And as I was reading through the content, I realized that I wanted to, under hours of service, it says check the library's calendar for current hours. So I want to be sure that I'm creating a hyperlink to our calendar so folks won't have to click around and look for that. They will just know how to find that information. So I'm going to go back up here to edit. And now over here on the left in the editor window, I'm going to scroll down and look for that content that I want to hyperlink again. So it was here, check the library's calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight library's calendar. Let me try that again. And then up here in the editing tools, I'm going to click this little icon that looks like a chain link to create a hyperlink. And here, if it was going to an external site, you could copy and paste that URL in here. But this time we're just looking for hours. So I just typed in hours. And now we see these are things that are within our site. So we don't want the home page icon. That would take people to the icon. We want to actually link them to hours. So I'm going to click this second one, and then I'm going to select Save. And so now this should link us to the actual hours page. I'm going to go down to the bottom of this page and select way down here, select Save. And now we can go give this a try. So I'm going to scroll down. Here's our section, Hours of Service. I'm going to click on Library's Calendar. And ta-da! Now we've linked within our website to an internal page. And when our site rolls over to go live on Monday, December 16th, this URL will automatically be taken care of. You won't need to go back into the site to double check it. I hope that helps. Thanks.